Ever felt stuck in a cycle of endless belly fat and frustration? I did too until I took charge with a focused 7-day plan. Here's my journey and how you can achieve similar results. I spent each day starting with targeted exercises designed to blast belly fat. My morning routine featured planks, Russian twists, and mountain climbers, each move specifically aimed at tightening and toning my core. I followed up with a brisk 30-minute cardio session to keep my metabolism high. I built my evening routine around recovery and preparation. I ended each day with a gentle stretching session and a light, nutritious dinner. This routine not only helped in burning fat but also in maintaining muscle tone. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. I got through some tough days where motivation waned. There were moments when skipping a workout seemed tempting, but pushing through those moments paid off. The consistency I maintained began to show results. My belly fat visibly decreased, and I felt stronger and more energized. I saved time and avoided frustration by tracking my progress daily. I used a simple journal to record my workouts and meals, helping me stay accountable and focused. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. The changes I experienced were incredible. Physically, my belly fat reduced significantly, my core was stronger, and my overall health improved. Mentally, I felt more confident and motivated. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Embarking on this journey transformed my life. Embrace a consistent routine, track your progress, and stay motivated. You'll be amazed at the positive changes in just a week. Start your transformation today because every journey begins with a single step.